Hi guys, good evening everyone. I am Kundal Rao, Zoology faculty. So I was completed my MSc and BEd in the prestigious, most prestigious university, that's Usmania University. I was completed my teaching field this year. This is the silver jubilee year, the most dangerous pandemic corona year, right? We are going to start zoology. Right. So now, first of all, we are going to take the word biology. Biology. So biology means the study of life, not wife. Biology is the study of life. So life means living organisms. So that means biology is the study of living organisms. Living organisms. Right. Guys, here it is a question for you. Biology. Who coined the term biology? So that is a neat question. So previously they asked many more times this question. Who is the father of biology? And one more is, who coined the term biology? So the term biology was coined by J.B. Lamarck. J.B. Lamarck. The term biology, the word biology was coined by J.B. Lamarck. So one more contribution is there regarding J.B. Lamarck. He also coined the term Annelida. Not only the word biology, he also contributed his contribution regarding the phylum Annelida. So Annelida is one of the invertebrate phylum. So Annelida is the phylum that belongs to invertebrata. Invertebrata. Right. Now, so one more aspect regarding the biology. So that is, who is the father of biology? Biology, the father of biology. Here I give four name of the scientists. They are the four options for you. The father of biology. Father of biology. So first option, Aristotle. So here is a question for you. Who is the father of biology? Just now we discussed about one aspect regarding NEET. The term biology was coined by J.B. Lamarck. Regarding the word biology, one more neat question for you. It was a repeated question many more times in a state level EAMCET examinations and national level NEET. That is father of biology. Here there are four options for you. The first option is Aristotle. The second option, Charles Darwin. The second option is Charles Darwin. Then third option, Mendel, not Kondal. Mendel. G. J. Mendel. So this is the third option. And fourth option is Karl von Baer. Karl von Baer. So the question is, who is the father of biology? The first option is Aristotle. Second option is Charles Darwin. Third option is G. J. Mendel. Then fourth one is Karl von Baer. Just you think about regarding the question, who is father of biology? So here only one option, that is you can opt. The answer is Aristotle. Okay, clear. But what about the remaining three options? So the remaining three options are also, they are famous biologists regarding the word biology. Charles Darwin, he was the father of evolution. Charles Darwin is the father of evolution. G. J. Mendel, Gregor Johansen Mendel. So simply we can say G. J. Mendel. He was the father of genetics. Genetics. Father of genetics. He was a G. J. Mendel. Then fourth option is Karl von Baer. He was the father of embryology. Embryology. So here the question is father of biology, Aristotle. So remaining three options, one is Charles Darwin, father of evolution, G. J. Mendel, father of genetics, Karl von Baer is father of embryology. Right? Now, so biology. So what is the meaning of biology? Just now we discussed about the word. It is a study of living organisms, isn't it? Right. Now, we can classify the living organisms. So, the living organisms are of three types. One, animals. The living organisms are of three types mainly. One is animals. Second one, plants. And third one, microbes. Yes, I'll repeat once again. Biology is the study of living organisms. The living organisms are classified into three types. One, animals. Two, plants. And third one is microbes. Now, the study of animals is a zoology. The study of animals, zoology. Zoology, zoology, Z-O-O, zoo, June, not the month of June. Just you clarify the pronunciation, June, June. Here it is the June, zoology, June, not the month of June, J-U-N-E, that is. Here it is a June, Z-O-O-N, June, that means animal. So, the study of animals is zoology. Now, coming to the plants. The study of plants is botany. The study of plants, botany. Now, coming to the third one, microbes. Microbes. The study of microbes is microbiology. The study of microbes is a microbiology. Now here we are discussing about in our NEET, that is zoology, right? So zoology is the study of animals. Now coming to what type of animals are there in the living world. Yes, we can learn about the animals. Okay, now here I'll give you a brief chart about the animals. So the animals are classified into two types. One is invertebrates. The animals are classified into two types. One is invertebrates and second one is vertebrates. Vertebrates. So what is the difference between invertebrates and vertebrates? See, both are the animals, but there is a small difference between these two. The animal without backbone, they are not having the backbone. Backbone in the sense, this is a vertebral column. Backbone. Technically it is called as a vertebral column. So they are without backbone. So those are called invertebrates. The animals with backbone, they possess vertebral column. They have the vertebral column to give support, strength, posture to the body. That's why they are called vertebrates. So they are with backbone, with vertebral column. That's why they are called vertebrates. Okay. So now coming to the first one, invertebrates. Right. Invertebrates. Right. Now, so the living world is classified into 5 kingdoms. 5 kingdoms. Actually, basically, only 2 kingdoms are there. Only 2 kingdoms. So the 2 kingdom classification is given by Aristotle. Those 2 kingdoms are, one is about the plants and second one is animals. Simply we can say those 2 kingdoms. Plants belongs to Plantae. Animals belongs to Animalia. Only these are the 2 kingdoms. So next, 3 kingdom classification. 3 kingdom classification. 3 kingdom classification was given by Haeckel. So 3 kingdom classification given by Haeckel. So these 3 kingdoms are, just one more we can add to them. One is already we know about the plants. Another one, animals. The new one, that is Monera, that is bacteria. They belongs to bacteria. Then 4 kingdom classification. 4 kingdom classification was given by Copeland. 2 kingdom by Aristotle, 3 kingdom by Haeckel, and 4 kingdom classification given by Copeland. So we can add according to 3, one more is Protista. Yes, the most important well accepted the kingdom, 5 kingdom classification. 5 kingdom classification was given by Robert Whittaker. So this is the most accepted classification in the living world, that is 5 kingdom classification. It was given by Robert Whittaker. He was the most or familiar American biologist. He was not an Indian biologist. The American biologist, he was given the most prestigious classification regarding living world, that is 5 kingdom classification. So the 5 kingdom classification given by Robert Whittaker. Just you neglect other 4 classifications, you remember only 5 kingdom classification. So according to the 5 kingdom classification, There are 5 kingdoms are there. There are 5 kingdoms. One is Monira. Second one is Protista. Third one is fungi. And fourth one plantae. And the last one, that is Animalia. Animalia. So, 5 kingdom classification given by Robert Whittaker. So, according to that classification of Robert Whittaker, these are the 5 kingdoms. I'll repeat once. First, Monera kingdom, then Protista, fungi, plantae, and the last one is Animalia. So, zoology is the study of animals na. So, all the animals belongs to kingdom Animalia. Yes, that is our kingdom. That is our animal kingdom. Animalia. Animal kingdom. Right. Now, we are going to discuss about the kingdom Animalia. The kingdom Animalia, or simply we can say animal kingdom. Animal kingdom. Yes, here it is a question for you. Very, very, very important question. Here I am writing one question for you. According to Robert Whittaker's, here this is the question. First I am explaining orally, then I will write later on the board. According to Robert Whittaker, what is the first animal phylum? He was asking about the phylum, not the kingdom. Already he gave animal kingdom. According to Robert Whittaker's 5 kingdom classification, what is the first animal phylum? Here writing I am the question. First animal phylum. This is very, very, very important question, because this question is a confusing the 99% of the students, because they lose their marks. Each question carries 4 marks. If go for wrong option, you can lose one more mark. So 5 marks. So that type of question here it is. According to Robert Whittaker's, the first animal phylum is, right? Here I am giving the 4 options for you. One is phylum Protozoa. Phylum Protozoa. Then second one, no, just I am joking. Porifera. The second option is Porifera. Phylum Porifera. Then third option is Arthropoda. Then fourth option is Mollusca. So you can choose among the 4. Only the confusion occurs in between these 2 only, because you need not worry about Arthropoda and Mollusca, because Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the Animalia kingdom, or kingdom Animalia. You know well, Mollusca is also the largest, but the second largest. The largest phylum is the Arthropoda. This is one very, very important aspect regarding NEET. Arthropoda is the first largest phylum. Mollusca is the second largest phylum. Yes, you may come in conclusion, these 2 are not there for this question. Only your confusion between these 2 options only. Protozoa or Porifera? Yes, Protozoa is the correct option. No way. He was asking the question according to Robert Whittaker's classification, according to 5 kingdom classification. He was asking, mind it, he was asking the question, The first animal phylum according to Robert Whittaker's 5 kingdom classification. You remember that. So the correct option is Porifera. In what way? Porifera is the correct option. Chalo. Right. Animalia is the kingdom na? That includes animals. Plantae is the kingdom na? That includes plants. So what is the difference between these two? Yes, I'll give you the clarification. Protozoa. Yes, you know well. You studied in your school level. Paramecium. Yes, you know well. That is slipper animalcule. You know. Euglena. Yes, you know. Amoeba. No. Amoeba. 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 Yes. These are the few familiar examples. They belongs to the phylum Protozoa. Right. So among the three, Paramecium, that is a complete animal. Amoeba, that is a complete animal. But what about Euglena? Euglena, yes. Euglena is not a complete animal. It's not a complete plant. Why? Because what is the animal character? Animal character is the absence of chlorophyll. The plant character is the presence of chlorophyll. If the organism with chlorophyll, that is a plant. The organism without chlorophyll, that is the animal. So Paramecium is no chlorophyll, that's absolutely animal. Amoeba, that's absolutely animal. Why? Because they do not possess the chlorophyll. But Euglena, it is having both the characters of plants as well as animals. Euglena possess chlorophyll, is a plant character and animal character. So regarding Euglena, the Euglena belongs to the phylum Protozoa. So according to these animals, these examples like Protozoa is not belongs to the kingdom Animalia. So they established a separate kingdom for them, for Euglena like animals, like organisms, that is the Protista. So Protozoa is the phylum that belongs to the kingdom Protista. So now the answer is Porifera. Why? Because invertebrate phyla, you know well, there are 9 major invertebrate phyla are there. There are 9 major invertebrate phyla. What are they? Porifera, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. So Protozoa belongs to Protista. The next one is Porifera. That's why it is a very, very, very important question. That's the most confusing question. That is, answer is Porifera. So let us start tomorrow Kingdom Animalia with the death aspect. Right? Okay. Thank you.
V3 న్యూస్ లక్ష్యం